Hello YouTube riders, welcome to Allegheny Motorcycle Adventures. Mark Ritchie with you, and today we're going to talk about one of the best feelings a rider could ever know: new tires. As I discussed in the last video, I had some service work done. I got some new tires and new neck bearings. I was riding a couple of days ago and I just couldn't help but remark on what a difference Wendy is right now. And so I wanted to do a video with fresh Michelins on Bullpasture Mountain. Now, I haven't ridden on Michelins before. I'll leave a link in the description of what the name of the tire is and where I got them from. But Psychological did the work, and it was a pretty intense job. They ended up having to drain bleed the clutch fluid. Wendy's a 20-year-old bike, and there's some things that I really haven't stayed on top of. So, but they catch it, they fix it, and everything moves on. And one of the reasons why I wanted to do this video is how remarkable it really was to ride her on Bullpasture Mountain with fresh tires. And the thing that I was thinking about is Wendy's 900 pounds, give or take, curb weight. And just hoisting her off the center or the side stand takes a lot of effort. And there's a corner in the ascent on Bullpasture that flicks the bike over from whatever lean angle that you go, depending on how fast you're going, all the way to the other side. And I'm thinking, this is a 900-pound bike that takes most of my effort to get off the side stand, and here I am flicking this 900-pound machine from one side to the next. And with those new neck bearings, I immediately felt a difference. Multiply that wear and that force on that area, which is where all the force goes when you're doing that over 120,000 miles. And the result of that is just, things aren't as tight, and they just erode, and they're not as fresh, for lack of a better word, as they used to be. And we're coming up on that stretch of road here on Bullpasture, and I'll show you where it is. I always just leave Wendy in fifth here. She's got plenty of torque, but just confidence. And here's kind of one, you could call that one too, but this one coming up right here, I'm already in a heavy lean angle and just flip the bike, and just wow, 900 pounds just like that. Yeah, and it feels like these tires are just glued to the road. I don't ever recall feeling like that with the Schenkos. I don't know, maybe it's a combination of the neck bearings, but this bike seems so smooth and so solid. But I don't think she's ever felt this way.
You like it, don't you? Don't normally get it like this, do you? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo, woo.
But just the confidence coming off the corner. Yep. Some Canyon Carvers. I don't think I have anything for them though. Ride safe, brothers. Wow. Just wow. I just wanted to do this video to thank Psychological for all of their hard work and efforts. It wasn't, you know, just A to B. It was more like a soccer match where you're going up and down, back and forth, and every which way till you get to your goal. But it was well worth it. You know, if you can bring that type of enjoyment to your customers who love and cherish their machines. Yeah, I mean, it's no small thing. So thank you guys. It's just so much fun riding something that there aren't any more problems with currently. She is almost 20 years old. But yeah. Welcome back, Wendy. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Cheers and ride extraordinary.
You might want to take the lens cover off, Richie. Wow.
That almost happened.